नीट पेपर लीक जाल्ल्या प्रकरणाचो निषेध करपाक तरणाट्यांनी म्हापशेच्या लोहिया गार्डनाचेर आंदोलन केले। केंद्रीय मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधानान आपलो राजीनामो दिवचो अशी मागणी आंदोलन करप्यांनी लावन धरली। ह्या आंदोलनाक तेंको दिवपा खातीर हजारांनी लोक एकठांय आयिल्ले आसात।
We have in our minds done already saying we have to ask for the resignation of the education minister. It's been so long. But right now, I don't think the government wants a change. I don't think the government cares for the youth. And I don't think the government wants better education. Shame! You will ask me why the government doesn't want good education. Maybe all of us will get educated and won't vote for them. Maybe they don't want educated leaders. Maybe they don't want educated people. Are they afraid? Are they afraid of getting people educated?
Yes. The fire that is burning inside us, let's feed this fire. Ani eka protestant, let's not go back home. We have lot of problems to solve Goa. Ata mi zage zalyat. Goa has lot of problems to be solved. Let our sisters who fought for this liberation, who fought for this independence, be proud of us. We are the children of Goa. We are the Bharat Mate Poot. Bharat Mate Poot means daughters and sons of Goa. And we are here for one request. Our education, which is the fundamental right, has lot of Kusakid into it. Kusakid, those who understand Kogri who know, lot of forms, it is getting corrupted. It is getting leached by certain elements that we don't want our education system to go into such way. This country, this great country India, needs good education system. The system has to be fixed. I would like to thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for listening to our certain demands and at least listening to it for the first time. This movement, this fire that is there should not stop with this. We demand resignation of the minister who is not ready, who is not capable of taking such a huge relationship. It's okay, buddy. Nobody is blaming you. Just move aside. Give the ministry to somebody who can take care of it.
We were tear gassed by the Delhi police. The Delhi police created stampede-like situations inside the Jantar Mantar compound. The Delhi police used layers of barricades and made no safe exit routes for the kind of crowd and the kind of numbers that were there. The Delhi police incited violence and fired 3 tear gas shots.
For shame!
Within a matter of 5 minutes, the Delhi police tear gassed us 3 times, unprovoked. People were seated on the Parliament Street. Nobody was doing any violence. We were raising slogans, we were singing songs, and the current regime considers that as violence.
जैमर्स लगा दिए गए हैं, बैरिकेड्स लगा दिए गए हैं। 2 साल तक जैमर और बैरिकेड के साथ किसान आंदोलन हमने किया है। हमें लड़ना है। और ये याद रखा जाए कि ये लास्ट चांस है। अगर इसके बाद डेमोक्रेसी इतनी अंडरमाइन हमारी हो जाएगी कि हम फिर स्टैंड नहीं कर पाएंगे। लास्ट लड़ाई है। इस बार डेमोक्रेसी को देश के हर कोने से आवाज आनी चाहिए। इस बार अभी तो सिर्फ आवाज हमारी सुन नहीं रही। अगली बार से पहले दिल्ली में चलिए, गोवा में भी चलेंगी। बोले तो यहाँ भी चलेंगी। आपकी आवाजें बंद कर दी जाएंगी। हिटलर नाम सुना है ना? आज भी उसका खौफ है। एक हिटलर और पैदा हो रहा है, उसको अभी रोको।